Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So today we're going to be completing the forecasting practice activity as well as a Kahoot for review. We have our test coming up on Thursday and Friday. It's going to be a two-part test, and so that is, oops, sorry. So that's where we're going to be able to find, or that, excuse me, that's when we will be assessing you on the weather unit. Uh, in order for us to do that, though, and for me to kind of go through this forecasting practice, what I would like you to do today is you can either work individually or with a partner or a group, small group. If you want to work in a group, what I'd ask you to do is go into the Google Meet during your assigned class period, or I guess your assigned science period, and I will be in the Google Meet and I will ask who you're waiting for, and then I will put you into a breakout room with those people. Once you are finished with those, or with like each location, so like location one, location two, three, four, I have attached a video on here that has me going through number one, number two, number three, number four. And so I'll just have you go through and kind of like check your forecast with what I had forecast. And then any differences that you have, you can just leave as a comment on the side and then kind of make note of how you can improve your forecasting in the next coming days. So we'll have this forecasting practice, and then we have another one on Tuesday and kind of Wednesday that we'll have you complete. And so any improvements or any questions that you have on the forecasting, I know last year some students were worried about this, so any questions that you have about the forecasting stuff, please let me know beforehand so that I can help you sooner rather than later. And then you'll have a chance to kind of work on those skills as you get closer to the assessment. Um, Otherwise, this is the review Kahoot. It's going to be linked right here again. So if you go to, here's the stream, click on classwork, scroll past semester one assessments, and you'll see the assignment review Kahoot 1. Just click on it, go through the Kahoot if you want to get a couple people together, maybe the same group that you'll be doing your forecasting with, and then you can kind of challenge them on it. Go for it. Otherwise, you can do it alone. Once you've gone through that Kahoot, maybe once, maybe twice, go ahead and turn this in, and then go ahead and get started on your forecasting practice. In class on Friday, we only did about one of them, maybe, depending on what class period you're in. And so I have in the video gone through locations one, two, three, and four. And I'll post the on the stream for today's announcement. I'll mark down what the timestamps are for each question. So if you're looking specifically for question number two, or question or location number two, or location number three, then you'll know exactly where to go. But that's what we're doing today. If you have any questions, again, I'll be in the Google Meet, so just let me know. I'd be happy to help you out.